So that word cloud is like a snapshot of a city's brain, a bustling interconnected network of ideas. It shows how much goes into building a truly smart city. Not just the cool tech, but also the careful planning, the environmental responsibility, and the financial considerations. It's a reminder that a digital city isn't just about gadgets, it's about people and how technology can improve their lives, from making commutes easier to ensuring access to essential services. Seeing all those words together, you get a sense of the enormous complexity and exciting potential of this vision. It's a testament to the collaborative effort required involving government, businesses, and citizens working in harmony. The success of such a city hinges on the seamless integration of these diverse elements, creating a vibrant and sustainable urban ecosystems. Ultimately, it's a hopeful vision of urban life enhanced by technology, but one that requires careful consideration and execution. So that world cloud is like a blueprint for the future, a vibrant and interconnected vision of a city powered by innovation. It's more than just a list of buzzwords. It's a glimpse into the complex web considerations, technological, environmental, economic, and social, necessary to build a truly thriving digital city. It highlights not only the exciting possibilities of smart technologies like improved traffic management and efficient energy grids, but also the crucial role of effective governance and community engagement. The image speaks to the collaborative spirit needed to bring this vision to life. A partnership between government agencies, private businesses, and the citizens themselves. It's a reminder that digital city isn't just about technological advancement. It's about building a more sustainable, equitable, and ultimately more human-centered urban environment. The sheer density of the words underscores the ambitious scale of the project, yet also hints at the potential rewards of a future where technology serves to enhance rather than replace the human experience.